Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This hair from AliExpress that was sent to me. So let's just get into the video and stuff, whatever. So this hair is from Queen Weave Beauty. This is their 22-inch lace front wig, and so far I like it. I really do. First received the hair, it did have a smell, like a really bad smell. I was like so scared to like even put it in my head, but I washed it and it's not there. Maybe the smell is from like a factory thing, so yeah, I wasn't like too mad about it or whatever. So I'm gonna tell you guys one thing I don't like about this wig. This wig is very extremely thin. But the only thing is, I'm not sure if this is like a 150 density. It can't be a 180. I know that it can't be 180. So I'm talking to you guys right now, and I'm just kind of just throwing things out to you guys, like from what I could remember about this hair. I should have wrote everything down, you know, to get more like correct, but I know you guys just want to know if it's a yes or a no. My answer is a yes. You do like this hair. This hair is pretty dope. I really like it. I've gotten a lot of compliments and I haven't even worn it for 24 hours yet, so this hair is pretty dope. If you're a type of person that you don't like heavy hair on you and you like something light, this is it. I'm telling you, this is the hair for you. But if you're a type of person that's like, you know, you like dramatic stuff like me, maybe this is not. But I'm not saying it's not, because like I said, I don't know the density of this hair. I'm not even gonna lie, I'll be honest with you guys. Like, just because I got some free hair doesn't mean anything. Like, I'm gonna give you guys some real deal like tea about this hair. Like, if the hair's trash, I'm gonna let you know it's trash. You know what I'm saying?
Hey guys, there was a lot of information that I missed out on this video. I'm so sorry. I should have just wrote everything down just to be more organized, but oh well. So let's speak about shedding. This hair doesn't shed as much. If I pass my fingers through the hair, I'll probably get like 1 or 2 strands of hair. Also, I didn't bleach my knots, and the reason why I don't bleach my frontal is because whenever I do, the bleaching method just weakens the frontal, and I don't like it because it just starts giving me a bald patch. I'm getting tons of shedding hair, and it pisses me off. So listen, I'm trying to save my frontals, I'm trying to save my wigs for a whole year, so I'm not trying to mess it up. And I feel like I really don't need to bleach my knots. I just go in with a foundation or concealer or whatever face powder you use, and I just use the cat method, and I put the product in the frontal, like behind it, and you really don't see the black knots. You kind of see a little bit, but it's not like, oh my gosh, I can't wear this, you know what I'm saying? The shipping was extremely fast. It came in 2 days, and customer service was A1. She replied quick as possible. Like, whenever I sent an email, she replied like within a minute. Very nice. So yeah, I feel like you guys should give this hair a shot. It's a yes for me. If you guys more on the natural side, this hair is definitely for you. But if you're more on a, you know, dramatic, you know, you want full bundles, I really would recommend this hair. But I don't want to say no completely, because I am still trying to figure out what density this hair is. Let's cross our fingers that this is like a 150 and not a 180, because if it is a 180, then I wouldn't want to spend, you know, 180 and get like a 150, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, bye.
tes pingocho et je peux plus me passer de lui. Et tout va glisser sur ta peau, c'est comme si je te passais de l'huile.